IFP focuses its efforts on bringing solutions to the challenges facing society and industry in terms of energy and the climate to support the ecological transition. Everything we do here at IFP from our legacy work on responsible oil and gas to the new research on biotechnologies, we use chromatography to assess the performance of catalysts that we develop here to assess the productivity of bacteria in producing, for example, bioethanol. It's been a very pleasant experience to implement Chromeleon as an IT manager. The software is very well documented. It's very easy to convey what needs to be done, what kind of products we need and what versions are supported, and it makes a very smooth process of implementing all the hardware. Chromeleon CDS changes things, we do things in the laboratory. It allows our lab technicians and engineers to work collaboratively to develop new methods that can be shared between two sites. It allowed work from home. It has also allowed us to improve the way we use the data.
Thermo Scientific Chromeleon CDS is flexible enough to allow our customers to perform upgrades all by themselves. We have several examples of customers like Maxime who have been able to upgrade their enterprise system on their own in less than a day. Chromeleon CDS can be adapted to a lot of IT architectures, and we help our customers to design their own environment based on their needs and challenges. The enterprise documentation is there to support our customers before, during, and after the installation or an upgrade to ensure that Chromeleon rollout is seamless.
The knowledge base is absolutely comprehensive. I can support myself using the knowledge base. The support team has been nothing short of extraordinary. The answers are fast, are precise, and comprehensive. We have 200 computers in our Chromeleon domain, and before the updater, we had to update them manually, which meant traveling to our Paris site and doing the update on every computer one by one. The updater service changes everything. With the updater now, we can send the update to all the computers at once. To upgrade 200 PCs is on my side, half an hour. Create the package, it's very straightforward. It's done seamlessly for the users. There's no interruption, we take advantage and just run the updates. It works, it just works.
The Chromeleon Updater Service is a tool that allows a user to prepare for an upgrade within their environment. Doesn't matter if it's 10 or 200 PCs within its environment, the Updater Service will take care of that.
The first implementation has been done with the Thermo services team. And so far, we have more than doubled the size of our installation, added new servers, upgraded databases, just using documentation and the support that is part of the Chromeleon Enterprise product. We are planning to move to 7.3.2 soon, and we are now confident enough after doing more than 6 or 7 version upgrades with the updater to just do it completely unattended, go the Friday evening starting the update, and being sure that on Monday everything is going to start as expected.